How to fix Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing up. You've probably seen Spotify playlists being shared in recent days. If your Wrapped list does not appear, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can fix it. Okay, first of all, we will see where the Wrapped list should appear. Open Spotify. When Spotify is opened, you will see a Wrapped list in the middle of the screen. If it is not there, do the following. Open the App Store or Google Play on your phone. Find Spotify, and if the update button is there, tap on it, and wait for the latest features to be applied. If the list did not appear, open the settings on your phone. Here, find the General section and tap on it. In this list, open the iPhone storage option. In the application list, find Spotify and tap on it. What you can do is to offload the application, because that way you will clear the Spotify cache. If all that doesn't help, you can try deleting the application and reinstalling it. The last thing you can do is clear the cache from the app as well. Open Spotify. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. In the list, select Settings and Privacy. Find the storage option in the list and tap on it. Here you will find the Clear Cache option. Tap on it and confirm your choice by tapping on the Clear Cache option. And that's all. Try all of these and something will probably solve your problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.